Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to connect Porkbun Domain to Base44. So make sure you will have logged in Base44. We will move in the app section and you will just have to select the crypto wallet, that is mine, and we will move in the dashboard section. And now just tap for domains. So right now I will not buy the premium subscription of Base44. So if you want to add a custom domain on it, so you will just have to buy a plan from here. So buy a plan and we will move in Porkbun. So right now we will just enter the name of domain which I want, like zbags.com, and just tap for search. So right now as you can see, these are the all zbags.com, zbags.inc, zbags.one. So if you want to just get this domain, so you will just have to purchase it from here, from the plus icon. Once you will just have to purchase, so you will just copy it like zbags.com. And if you also buy the custom domain subscription from Base44, and there's an option to add domain, and simply just have to paste it. So in this way you will just have to connect Porkbun domain to Base44. That's it. Thank you so much.